sweet friends. We are going to start this video with my first real meal of the day, which is my yogurt frozen berry ball that I do every single day. I literally crave this every single morning, so that's the first thing that I eat once I have dropped my daughter to daycare, and it's super easy to do. I actually have a YouTube short that explains every single step if you're interested. I want to be authentic with you guys and honest. I am tracking macros. I have a big disclaimer here. You don't have to track macros to be healthy, to be fit. That's just for me a way of making sure that I include enough protein in my diet. You are going to see that this full day of eating and what I eat in a day is oriented towards a high protein, I don't want to say diet, but like I really aim to eat enough protein for my body so that it recovers properly and helps me to build stronger muscles. But also, whenever I notice that I gain a little bit of weight, I am someone who can easily try to cut as much carbs and fat as possible in my diet, but this is not a good thing to do. And by tracking my macros, I make sure that I actually eat enough carbs and enough fat to help me achieve my physique goals. Once again, there are no right or good body. The body that you have is amazing. I just want to make sure that this is clear. It's just that I want to let you know what I personally do, because this is a question that I get asked a lot. I am going to eat my breakfast and then I'm going to go and do my journaling, meditation, and then we are going to go and do a good workout. I don't think that I told you that on here yet. I am in the middle of doing my yoga teacher training. It has literally changed the way I see workouts. I am incorporating yoga in my daily life as much as possible because it has been eye-opening to me. I am currently doing a lot of weightlifting. I also include yoga as much as I can, even more so since I'm doing my yoga teacher trainings. I think that is really exciting. So anyway, we are going to go, stop rambling, and start this day, and I will see you guys when I go and work out. I love how meditation can make me feel so grounded before I start my day. Now that I'm calm and that I am truly in the present moment, I realize that my house is actually a complete mess. As in, my daughter, she is kind of a tornado. You know, my house is clean up until she comes back from daycare. And I love my daughter. I love the fact that my house looks like people lives here. But for my mental health, I'm just gonna like clean up the kitchen, pick up the toys that are all around the place, and then we are going to go and work out. This is something that I have to do every day to make sure that my mind is clear and I can start on a clean slate. been editing for I don't know how many hours today. I also did a few anatomy classes for my yoga teacher training. So I need like a pick-me-up. And one thing that I have been loving lately are protein shake in the afternoon. Once again, it helps me to get my protein when I know that my other meals might not be as high as I need them to. So I do this protein shake every day. It includes frozen bananas, avocados, this little dose juice that I love because it has ginger and turmeric in it, and I love the taste. And I also add a little bit of matcha powder because it gives me that little kick in the afternoon that I love. So we are going to go and take a little break from editing, and we are going to read the book that I'm currently reading, which is The Handmaid's Secret. This book is freaking good. I love it very much. Not as much as the first book from that series, but nonetheless, if you want to read something fast-paced that you cannot put down, I highly recommend this. So this is going to be my kind of afternoon snack. I don't want to call it a snack because this is a shake. So if you can get your protein in a real meal, I would highly suggest that before taking any supplement. You don't have to take supplement to be healthy. You don't have to take supplement to be in shape. It's just something that I do when I know that I am not gonna hit my macros for that day. This is going to be my little self-care me time for today. We'll see each other when I get to dinner, which is going to be spring roll. I cannot wait because this is another staple in my house, and yeah, I cannot wait to eat dinner. But first, let's have this protein shake. Finally, dinner time. I'm just about to go and pick up my daughter from daycare. I will be prepping all of the things that I am going to include in the spring roll. This is, like I said earlier, a staple in our house. The secret ingredient I feel like are atruffle mangoes and the mint. This literally make the roll, as well as the peanut butter sauce that is to die for. And I like to prep all of the ingredients beforehand, so whenever I'm back home with my daughter and time is shorter, I can just put it all up together. And I don't want to praise myself, but I feel like I'm so much better than the beginning at rolling the spring roll. So if you are just trying this out, give yourself some grace because it's not easy. It looks really easy, but you are going to figure out your technique. So let's prep all of this, have this amazing dinner, and I'm hungry. Let's go.